Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 10 best icing dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Tala Icing Set with Nozzles. The Tala Icing Set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This set includes 5 stainless steel nozzles that make decorating cakes and cupcakes a breeze. You can achieve various designs and styles effortlessly, enhancing your baking creations. The included icing bag allows you to easily pipe frosting, giving you full control over your decorations. Weighing only 80 grams, this lightweight set is convenient to handle, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers alike. With the Tala Icing Set, you can elevate your dessert presentation and impress your family and friends. Moving on at number 9, we have the CybrTrayd 2766 Icing Coupler Set. The CybrTrayd Icing Coupler Set is an essential tool for any baking enthusiast. It includes 2 couplers that make it easy to switch between different icing tips while decorating your cakes and pastries. Before storing, remember to hand wash and dry them thoroughly, ensuring they remain in good condition for your next baking adventure. With compact package dimensions, they are easy to store in your kitchen without taking up much space. This set is a great way to add a touch of sweetness to your culinary creations. At number 8, we have the ScrapCooking Stainless Steel Nozzle. The ScrapCooking Pink Nozzle is crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, ensuring it is both rust-proof and safe for food use. This means you can enjoy peace of mind while decorating your baked goods. Its easy care design allows you to simply wash it with warm water, making cleanup a breeze. With dimensions of 5 centimeters in diameter and 6.5 centimeters in height, it is perfectly sized for various icing tasks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this nozzle will help you create beautiful designs with minimal effort. At number 7, we have the Sweetly Does It 19mm Icing Nozzle. The Sweetly Does It nozzle is a versatile tool for your baking needs. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance while providing a sleek silver finish. With a diameter of 19 millimeters, this icing nozzle allows you to create beautifully detailed designs on your cakes and pastries. Its sturdy construction makes it easy to handle, giving you the control you need to achieve professional-looking results. Whether you're decorating a birthday cake or adding a touch of flair to cupcakes, this nozzle enhances your baking experience. At number 6, we have the Chef-Aid Icing Syringe with Nozzles. The Chef-Aid Icing Syringe is a versatile tool for all your baking needs, making it easier for you to decorate cupcakes, cookies, and other desserts. With 8 interchangeable nozzles, you can create various patterns and designs to impress your guests. The convenient nozzle adapter allows for quick changes between tips, saving you time during your decorating sessions. Additionally, the plunger system gives you control over the icing flow, letting you apply just the right amount of icing with ease. This reusable syringe is also easy to clean, ensuring you can use it for many baking projects to come. At number 5, we have the Premier Housewares Icing Set. The Premier Icing Set is designed for those who love to decorate cakes and cookies with precision. The durable stainless steel applicator features a black plastic pump handle, giving you excellent control while icing. You'll appreciate the variety of nozzle shapes, allowing for diverse decorating styles on your baked goods. Additionally, the included plastic spreader helps you apply icing evenly across the entire cake, ensuring that every bite is deliciously sweet. With easy care instructions, this set makes decorating both fun and straightforward. At number 4, we have the Yiyiring plastic squeeze bottles. The Yiyiring squeeze bottles are perfect for all your cookie and cake decorating needs. With 4 4-ounce bottles included, you'll have plenty for daily use or replacements. Made from quality plastic and stainless steel, these bottles ensure safe and reliable use while decorating your favorite treats. Their durable design means they can handle frequent use without wear and tear. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash them with soap and water or toss them in the dishwasher. This convenience makes the Yiyiring squeeze bottles an essential tool for enhancing your baking experience. At number 3, we have the Dexam 8-piece icing set. The Dexam icing set is perfect for anyone looking to dive into the world of decorative icing and piping. This set includes a reusable 25-centimeter icing bag and a plastic coupler, making it easy for you to switch between different nozzles. With 6 stainless steel nozzles, you can create a variety of designs and textures, enhancing your baking projects. The kit also comes with helpful instructions that guide you on how to use each nozzle, ensuring you get the most out of your decorating experience. Plus, it's conveniently packaged in a storage box to keep everything organized. At number 2, we have the KICHOUSE Icing Tips Organizer. The KICHOUSE Icing Organizer is perfect for anyone who loves cake decorating. Its design not only helps you keep your baking tools neatly arranged, but also makes it easy to clean, ensuring a tidy workspace. You'll appreciate how quickly you can change piping tips thanks to its innovative holder, which streamlines your decorating process. Plus, its compact size saves valuable kitchen space while keeping your essentials within reach, making it a great choice for both experienced bakers and those just starting out. And finally, at number 1, we have the generic 17 pieces cake decorating kit. The generic cake decorating kit is designed to make cake decorating accessible for everyone. Made from durable metal and ABS, this kit is compact at 6.3 by 4.1 inches, making it easy to store and use. It includes a decorating pen, 10 decorating bags, 4 different piping tips, and 2 couplers, providing all the tools you need to create beautiful designs. With this kit, you can easily decorate cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and fondants as if you were a professional, allowing you to express your creativity and impress your friends and family.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.